Do you love football? Let me tell you a story. It was a football match between Manchester United and Chelsea, and Jorginho was to play a penalty. But upon kicking, the ball rolled on the floor and stopped just a few meters to the goalpost. Oh, so sad. Now, what do you think brought the ball to a halt? It is a concept in physics called friction. When two surfaces like the ground and the ball are in contact with each other, a particular force comes to resist the relative motion between them and seeks to stop it. This is the reason why when you rub your palms together, heat is generated because a force is trying to stop the relative motion between your palms. Wow, isn't that intriguing? We have learned that friction is a force that resists the motion between two bodies in contact. It is the force directed opposite to the direction of motion or attempted motion. The frictional force is always parallel to the surface in contact, and it is caused by molecular adhesion, surface roughness, deformations in surfaces in contact, etc. I'll see you the next week. Enjoy friction.